Hello guys, thanks for clicking on this video. ITC has been falling from the past 4 to 5 days. ITC is falling from highs to low about 5%, 6% down. So why this is the happening right now, and what's the reason for that? Is it good time to invest or not? We check the fundamentals and we check some technicals. We'll see whether the ITC is worth buying or not. Thank you, and stick to this video. We will go to the screen.
Hey, so why ITC share is falling now? Uh, yes, ITC share price is falling mainly due to the new draft cigarette policies brought by the government later week, later this week, by the Union Health Ministry. So in that, the major policy was the minimum age requirement. The minimum age for smoking was at 18 before, but now the government is saying that the minimum age for smoking is strictly 21. This is a good step by the government, but it is a little effect for the ITC company because it is a cigarette company. It was a cigarette company, so this is the reason the share price is falling that much. But yeah, we can see the chart here. Yeah, this is the ITC chart. You can see the 5 to 6% decline in the share price. Before the fall of this share price, I have bought some shares at 217, 215. But see, you should buy when you will get to know when some companies are real good. Because what happens is, if you think the share price is falling, it is still falling, it will fall still, and this will continue. You never buy the stock within just see the 1 or 2 days it reverses the trend. So because it is very important, when you're trying to buy something, you should buy right away. And see, if you have around 2000 rupees, you should invest only 1000 rupees. You should save another 1000 rupees when the unpredicted time will come for that. So this is the unpredicted time for me. So you get you got right. What is the reason for share price? I will show my account. Ah, yes, this is my account. See, I have amount, but I didn't invest it in everything. You can see here, I have invested in the ITC. Around a week ago, I bought 6 shares when this big fall has happened, and I bought another 2 shares to average it out. It was around 2 15. Now it become the 212. So today, after the this fall, I thought it is a really nice support for the stock. And you see, I added 3 more stocks, so now my average will become 209. So from 215 rupees to 209, I'm averaging out and getting my entry price to less and less and less. So if you're waiting for a stock to buy at the lower level, you never know when it will make the bottom. You should straightly sitting in front of the computer to buy that stock. So it's not a good idea. So I am using a Zerodha broker. I will put a link in the description. You can sign up from there if you're interested. This is a really good interface and a really fast and really good ethical company that I have found, ethical broker that I have found. It is a discount broker. It is really nice. If you don't have a Demat account, you can open account in Zerodha. The link is provided in the description. You can check it out there. So in this way, you should daily increasing. Whenever the stock falls, you should average it out. Like that, you will make a really good return on your investment without missing on a trade. So that's the reason. And also, I want to share like some websites that will be really helpful. I can say ITC is, we know that IT is a really good dividend paying company. You can see the dividend history easily in ticker tape. I will show you ticker tape. Remember this, it will be really helpful. In you want to see, it will show everything in simple terms. The current price of the stock is very less than the intrinsic value, so it is the right time to enter. It shows the good entry. It has good dividend returns. It has good returns than the fixed deposit. It is a large cap company. Because of this news, the share price won't fall to 100 or something. Never, it's never gonna happen. It's a large cap company, guys. It has multiple streams of incomes. So this is some concept called as stock split. When the share price reaches some value 300 to 350, they will split the shares. That means some 5:1 or 6:1, which means if you have 5 shares, they will give 1 share for free. So not free, but the share price will fall a little bit, so that it will be equal on overall thing. So what here we can conclude is, remember, it is not a growth stock. That is main thing. The stock number of stocks will increase over time by themselves by share splitting, and there will be a good dividend payout. So these are the main two things that you will create your wealth in this ITC stock. So I hope you learned something in this video. So if you like this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel, and much more analysis and much more knowledge videos are going to come on this platform. So please support us, and thank you guys for watching our video.